Here comes your ghost again, but that's not unusual. It's just that the moon is full and you happen to call. And here I sit, hand on the telephone, hearing a voice I know a couple of light years ago, heading straight for a fall. But as I remember your eyes, blue and robin's eggs, my poetry was lousy set. And where are you calling from? A booth in the Midwest. And 50 years ago, I bought you some cufflinks, and you brought me something. And we both know what memories can bring. They bring diamonds and on the sea, already a legend, the unwashed phenomenon, the original vagabond, being straight into our arms. And there you stay, temporarily lost at sea. The Madonna was yours for free. That's the girl on the half will keep you on the hop. Now I see you standing with brown leaves falling all around, snow in your hair. Now we're smiling out the window at that crummy hotel over Washington Square. Our breath comes out, white clouds mingle, hangs in the air. Speaking strictly for me, we both could have died then and there. Now you're telling me you're not nostalgic. Well, give me another word for it. You who are so good with words and are keeping things vague. 'Cause I need some of that vagueness now, so come back too clearly. I once loved you dearly, and if you're offering me diamonds and rust, I've already paid. Thank you.